Good day, Sir Kenneth. I'm here to show my practical exam for ICT. Let's see if it works. As you can see, it is counting down for the color red, 5 seconds each, and as well for green. After a few seconds, it will show yellow. After the colors is finished, it's gonna wait another 5 seconds for it to color again. You may ask how it works. Firstly, we need all these wires to make it work. Like these four. It is giving power to the 7 segment, and these 3 is to power up the 3 LEDs. But let's not forget our Arduino Uno. It is the one that is mainly giving the power, and breadboard is where we put it. For coding, we need all this code to make it work, like red high, red low, green low, and yellow high and yellow low. We need pin mode, const in, digital write, a lot of digital write with low high. And next, we need a lot of delay, like delay 1000. We need also pin A, pin B, up to pin G. Next, let's go to my documentation. As you can see here, for number 1 for me, it is to test one of the many things that Arduino Tinkercad can do. It is also for my practical exam that is the main purpose for me. Next, for the parts, I need Arduino Uno, breadboard, 7 segment, a lot of wires, and 4 resistors, and lastly the 3 LEDs. You may ask, why are those important? Where to, it is Arduino Uno is where the wiring starts, or where to get the power from. And the breadboard is where the power is being transferred to, or where it receives. 7 segment is the countdown for the LEDs, and it is the one that takes up most the power. The wires is the one transporting the power or electricity to the main components. Resistors is the one to limit the power that is the one on the wires. And the LEDs is the one connected to the 7 segment that is needed to count down for them to color. Number 4, why is coding important? Because it is the one making the most work for the lights to work. Example, when to light up the lights or how to light it up. Number 5, what make you struggle and how do you fix it? I struggle to make the 7 segment count because my coding is wrong and my wiring is incorrect. So I've tested it a lot of times until I got it right. Thank you for listening.